Okay, let's talk about GameStop and AMC again. We got a huge drop for AMC, 8%. However, for GameStop, we got a drop of just 2% after testing the 2369. So we have to discuss why we went down. And of course, are we going to have a reversal or are we should wait for another dip for the next week or not? But before we go further, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And of course, remember we always do update on our Discord and Patreon for the pre-market update and pre-market watch list every day before the market open. Of course, the link in description below. So as you can see here, GameStop it went down 2%. Is not big deal because as you can see here from the market, Intel 11% down, AOI almost 12%, SMCI 11, AMD 10%. So you see, we have a huge drop, over 10% for the market last week because the war going on in the Middle East. So this is normal. So that's why we got GameStop pulling back, but 2% is not huge. AMC pulling back 8%. And the good thing, we got a bit of reversal before the market opened. So this is a good reaction for AMC that we saw before the market closed because we see sign of buyers before the market closed because the market hit a really discount price around this level, the $1.73. So what we should expect for AMC next week? First of all, AMC still holding the support, which is over the 170, and we got a little bit of reversal. Next week or tomorrow on Monday, we need to have a little bit of gap toward the $1.95 would be really good sign that we have a genuine buying pressure toward the bottom, the $1.73. Otherwise, if we have a gap below the 173, is mean we got a weakness and go toward the 148. So one gap toward the $1.95 or below the $2 would be a good sign, and then a continuation to do toward the $2.45 to confirmation the sign that we have a huge buyer. For GameStar stop, on the other hand, we have the drop started before Friday and Wednesday and continue a little bit on Friday. And the same, we got a little bit of buying pressure before the close. The last hour, guys, the last hour, we got a nice green candle on holding over this level after the market close. Again, this is a good sign because if we see the market here for Intel, you see, it continued to go down. SMCI, it continued to go down even after hours. There's no buying pressure. But for GameStop and AMC, we have buyers before the market close. And of course, the price continue after hours to hold the green candle that we did after hours or before the market closed by 1 hour. So this is a really good sign. We have to confirm this sign for the next week once we have a gap toward the $2.30 or 22.30. If we have this gap around the 22.30, will be really interesting confirmation that we actually have a buyer or genuine buyer before the market close last Friday. So again, GameStop, we need the 22.33 to confirm that we have a really genuine buying pressure by tomorrow pre-market and continue to break the 23.77 by this month. This is the sign of squeeze. Okay, I'm not saying if we have a gap is mean the squeeze will happen. No, this is will be a good first sign that we got a genuine buyer for GameStop before close on Friday. However, the squeeze zone still around the 23.77 toward the 26.25 if we broke this level by the next week. Again, guys, remember we're gonna do live streaming tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe and join our Hunter channel. And of course, if you want to have early access and early update and watch list, daily watch list before the market open, make sure to subscribe to our Discord and Patreon. The link in description below. Thank you for watching and see you all back by tomorrow.